Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, also honorable Indian peoples, especially youngsters. I am saying before I am starting on my YouTube channel. My channel is named Ethics of Gandhiji. To remember, once again, my channel is named Ethics of Gandhiji. Now, I am introduced myself. I am G.K. Baburaj Padapakara, hail from in Kollam district in Kerala. Actually, I was a fisherman. I am saying proudly, I was a fisherman. That is my job, my maternal traditionally. When I was started the job, I was 14 years old. So I have no given education qualification. That is why I request you should apologize my mistake. Now before expose my channel content, I will say one thing. 77 years ago, we got to the freedom. But until we didn't understand democracy, we didn't understand what is that democracy. We thought not only selected to people representatives through what is a democracy, but also all the people should given equally human rights. But do you have get anywhere equally human rights? Especially women people. Mahatma Gandhiji was argued women equality. Gandhiji not only, also freedom fighters argued women equality. But lastly, they hoped women that problem to solve independence India. But independence India, that problem increasing. For example, if a woman loudly speak or loudly laugh, our society humiliating and harassing her. This system eradicate in front of modern society. For that, Indian women people should interfere in society and Indian politics our country. I am request you, honorable women people, please you think about it. If you start the struggle, that struggle you will very successful. Your think, your 10 or 100 women people organized, declared the non-violent struggle. Next day, whichever any front of government office, if we conduct the non-violent struggle, then government your demand appreciated. Other than that, government or police not objectable your struggle. Not only that, you didn't arrest the police or you sent to the jail because of you will interfere the court. All the Indian courts, your demands appreciate you. So that from Panchayat until Parliament, you will get equally human rights. I request you, number of thousands years, following traditionally slavery with abundance, come to the struggle land. All the people come to the arena. We will implement democracy in our country. Otherwise, like today, your posterity, this slavery will be continuously. I mean sexual harassment, child abusement, molestation, raping, and murder, torturing continuously in our country. I am repeating, all sort of problems to solve ethics only can ethics of Gandhiji. So we will implement Gandhian socialism in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, comes to the close this video here. Next video, I will come continuously fiery topics. I mean, Indian politics, democracy, secularism, socialism, communism, capitalism, fascism, etc. subject introduction. This my channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe, share and cooperate with me. All Indian honorable people, goodbye.